In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM, step by step, designed especially for beginners. Zoho CRM is an excellent tool for managing your customer relationships and streamlining your business operations. So, if you're ready, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Zoho CRM website. Once you're there, you'll spot the option to sign up or log in. Since we're setting up a new account, go ahead and click on the link to access Zoho CRM. This will take you to the sign-up page. After landing on the sign-up page, you'll need to provide some basic information to get started. Begin by typing in your company name in the designated field. Your company name is crucial as it personalizes your CRM space and reflects your brand identity. It's important to ensure that the spelling is correct, as this will be used in your internal communications and various automated processes. Next, you'll need to enter a phone number. This step is important because it might be used to verify your account or assist with any support issues. Make sure the phone number you provide is one you can easily access and is valid for receiving communications regarding your CRM setup. Following the phone number, you'll be prompted to provide the number of employees in your company. This information helps Zoho CRM tailor their services to meet the scale of your operations more effectively. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, selecting the appropriate employee count helps in guiding the CRM's organizational setup. Once you've filled out all your information accurately, it's time to move on. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. Hitting this button is essentially your final confirmation for setting up your new Zoho CRM account. Now you're well on your way to exploring all the powerful features Zoho CRM has to offer. At this point, Zoho CRM will begin setting up your personalized dashboard and workspace based on the input you've provided. This setup might take a few moments, so be patient as the system configures everything to suit your business needs. Once completed, you'll be greeted with your CRM home screen. From here, you can start adding contacts, setting up workflows, and customizing your settings to optimize your business operations. Before we end, remember that setting up your CRM is just the beginning. The real power of Zoho CRM comes from customizing the system to match your specific workflows and processes. Spend some time exploring the tutorials and resources available on their website to maximize the benefits for your business. That's it for our introductory setup today. I hope you found this guide simple and helpful. Be sure to dive deeper into each feature to leverage Zoho CRM to its full potential. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.